Chronic cough is a persistent problem. A lot of us have this repeated cough episodes. What are the reasons why we have it? It can be because of asthma, it can be because you have a acid reflux, or it can be a non-asthmatic eosinophilic bronchitis itself. It can be because of psychogenic. It can also be because you had an upper respiratory infection and you have a post-nasal drip that can also cause it. Apart from that, drug use like AC inhibitors can cause your heart disease, can cause it can be because of a vocal cord injury or a vocal cord palsy. So it is better that you get it evaluated, get it treated at the earliest.